everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So I am going to talk about new hair care products that I have tried, and I thought of sharing with you guys. So this is a new brand that I am trying since last 3 weeks, and it is called as Ageti. So Ageti is a 100% natural brand. So all the products that they curate, it is made up of the organic materials, and these are 100% natural. So today I have their hair care range, which consists of their premium onion hair oil, which looks like this. I have their complete hair defense detangling shampoo and conditioner. So these are all color coordinated, and these products are all good to protect your hair against hair fall. So let's get started with the detailed review. The first product that I have is this Agate Hair and Skin Luxury Premium Onion Hair Oil, and this is made up of red onion, camphor, rosemary, argan oil, amla. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. It retails for 799 rupees for 100 ml of the product, which is an okay price. I won't say that it is very expensive, neither it is very affordable as well. And this is what the bottle looks like. So because it is made up of red onion, so this is the color of the oil. And as you can see that I have used up to this much for about 4 washes. I would say I have used this hair oil, and I think the quantity is okay. This bottle is going to last you for about, I think, at least 6 months if you're using twice a week. And now talking about the smell, it smells very this oil has a very strong fragrance which might bother you. It smells like as if it is made up of a lot of Indian spices. Like I can get the smell of like elaichi, that kind of a smell it has. Very strong fragrance, but it does not bother me. But if you are somebody who is looking for floral kind of fragrance or soothing fragrance, then this is not the product for you. And the texture is very lightweight, and you will not feel that you have applied something which is very heavy, and also it removes very easily. And the after effect of using this oil is definitely it reduces frizziness, and also you will see that it gives you a kind of smooth and soft feel to your hair. So these are the only 2 things that I have observed in this hair. Now coming to the next products, which is a combo of shampoo and conditioner. So this is the Agate Complete Hair Defense Detangling Conditioner and Complete Hair Defense Shampoo, and these are made up of fenugreek seeds, onion, kalonji and amla. So I have used these products like I think more than almost a month now, and I am absolutely loving the packaging. It's very, very adorable, and if you keep this in your bathroom, in your stash, it's gonna stand out because of the red color that it has. Okay, and coming to the shampoo, it retails for 699 rupees for 250 ml, and the conditioner retails for 250 for 699 rupees as well for 250 ml. Okay, now both of this similar to the hair oil, this product smell like the Indian the spices that we use for cooking, like cardamom, elaichi, mixture of that. I can't tell you really how it smells, but something like that. And this shampoo is okay. It's a very average shampoo. I did not find anything wow about this. You will need a lot of quantity of this product to remove the oil or whatever oil you're using in that manner. Yes, so compared to other shampoos that I use, I need a little bit more quantity of this. This is actually thick, but still I do use, I think, for about 4 pumps for 1 wash. As I said, it is good for cleansing, but I feel that it makes my hair a little frizzy. So I definitely reach out to the conditioner. I absolutely love this conditioner. I love using this conditioner. I have used this conditioner not only with this shampoo, but along with my other regular shampoo that I have from other brands. It works wonderfully for all the shampoos. It does have a very, very strong fragrance, but otherwise it definitely detangles my hair. So when I use a shampoo, as I said, I feel that my hair is getting tangled and a little frizzy, but the moment I apply the conditioner, I can brush, with my fingers, the hair, it becomes very, very smooth. And also after washing it, I feel that my hair is actually looking very soft and smooth and not at all tangled. So I absolutely love this conditioner, and I will recommend, if I recommend one product out of all the 3 products that I've shown today, it is going to be this conditioner. It's a very, very good product if you're looking for an 100% organic Indian brand conditioner. Then you should definitely go ahead and try this product out. Okay, so the links for all these products will be mentioned below. I will be mentioning the link for Ageti website directly. You can directly go and check out their profile. They curate a lot of organic products, the hair mask mainly related to hair care products, like shampoo, conditioner, mask, oil. You can go and check their website out. It's an Indian organic brand, and I think we should try buying more Indian products. It's gonna help them. So yeah, all about the products. So yeah, see you soon guys, take care, bye.